All right, welcome to another short video. This is part of the Experience Technology Professional series, which um, I guess a better name for this series would have been Chat GPT or something like that, because that's what we're doing. We're using these new AIs that hopefully everyone has heard of, and hopefully anyone watching this channel is using. So the last video was uh, we're going through these 10 questions. So far we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos. So we're halfway there. The last one we talked about um, the fifth attribution of what it means to be an experienced technology professional, and how you can really earn that title. The ability to work effectively, independently, and as part of a team is a big one. So we also had a video. Now I remember doing this video. It looks like it's not part of the playlist, so um, I think I just messed up when I uploaded it, so hopefully this won't take long. It should be a like an orphaned video that's not part. Yeah, so this is an orphaned video that I didn't add to the playlist. So let's go to edit video. Okay, and then we'll go to uh, playlists. Yeah, so it's orphaned. I created it. I just didn't use the correct settings. Okay, so now let me go back to that playlist, and hopefully it will be there now. Okay, so here's the playlist. And now we've got this extra video. So the ability to learn quickly and adapt to new technologies was the sixth. So we're gonna try to keep this video short, moving along, and we're gonna go to number 7. Let's do a quick review of what happened here. Okay, yeah. So I updated my technical bookmarks folder because one of the uh, important things to do uh, to live by this here, having the ability to learn and adapt to new technologies, is to contribute to some projects. So like for me, um, one of the projects I'm doing is this YouTube channel. So that's a good one. Even better would be like contributing to these open source projects. For example, Wireshark, looking at the code of that, being familiar with that. Kirk Byers is doing some really good work with Nornir and Napalm and Netmiko, so looking into the code of that. Um, a really good project. So he's got inside of his Netmiko, he's got all these vendors. So he's missing some vendors. I'm sure he has Juniper in there. Yeah, he's got Juniper in there, but like you know he's got pretty much everything in here, but just going and finding some really bizarre vendor. Like, does he even have Dell in here? Oh, he does. Okay, so he's probably got them all covered now. But that kind of thinking, where like you can find some attribute of this, just like research, and find something that's missing here, and then go and kind of mimic what's in the other folders, but for your particular case. So like here's a file that's yeah, it's less than 150 lines, so this is going to be probably similar for most um, different vendors. It's going to be uh, a file that's included. Yep, so it's like the same. So if you can find a like another um, vendor or whatever, and and set and keep this list growing, they might look that over and they might say, hey, like, thank you, we needed this, and accept your pull request. And then you've got your name in the source code of this, which is really good. So that's kind of the brief summary. I also updated my certifications, and between videos, I added uh, one as well. Certifications are a big deal for being able to quickly learn and adapt to new technologies. Projects are a big deal. Taking courses are a big deal. So yeah, that's it for that. So now we're going to move on, and we're going to ask the next question. So how can I gain an understanding of, let's say, as an experienced technology professional, how best can I gain an understanding of software development methodologies? Okay, so here's the answer. As an experienced technology professional, the best way to gain an understanding of software development methodologies is by reading up on the different methodologies and their principles, as well as attending workshops, seminars, and other events related to software development. Additionally, you can look into taking courses in software development and participating in software development uh, projects. This will help you gain hands-on experience in developing and deploying software projects. So this is a lot about software. The answer is going to be different depending on what particular field or niche you're looking at. You can also look into joining online communities and forums related to software development in order to interact with other experienced developers and learn from their experiences. Finally, if you have the resources, you can also look into hiring a mentor or a coach to help you gain better understanding of software development methodologies and how to apply them in practice. So, you can ad lib it and just replace software development with whatever else you would like. But yeah, so the next most natural question to ask it, and this is a good demonstration of the best way to use this. So just ask it a follow-up question. So the best way to gain an understanding of software development methodologies is by reading up on the different methodologies and their principles. So um, uh, oh, it is saying is software development. Yeah, you know what, that is important for just about any field you're in as an experienced technology professional. If you're a network engineer, learning software development methodologies, I think, is important. So yeah, let's do this. So name different methodologies and principles that it is important and to read up on in order to gain an understanding of software development methodologies. Okay, there we go. So we've got a list. So it's important to read up on a variety of software development methodologies and principles in order to gain an understanding of software development. Some of the key methodologies and principles include Agile. That's a big one. I've had experience with that. DevOps is another one I've had experience with. Um, so yeah, so these are all good answers here. Additionally, it is important to understand the principles of good software design, such as coding standards, readability, maintainability, and security. Finally, it is important to understand the importance of software testing and quality assurance, as well as the different techniques used for testing and debugging. So let's, I don't have so let's open Notepad just for a blank slate. That's not going to ask us to do an update or anything like that. There we go. And then we're going to say key methodologies. Okay. Looks good to me. Okay, this is annoying. So yeah, let's open up Python. And we're going to say temp equals this. There we go. I'm going to say temp list equals temp dot split. Okay, and then that. I'm going to say for temp in temp list, print temp. Okay, there we go. That's what I want. Okay, now that's a lot easier to deal with. I kind of wish I had Notepad++ and I could have, but there we go. That's perfect. So here's our key methodologies. Then we have principles of good software design. I'm going to write that down. So those are coding standards, readability, maintainability, and security. Okay, and then understand the importance of software testing and quality assurance. I'll say also important software testing, quality assurance, and then techniques for testing and debugging. Okay, so that looks good to me. We got a really good answer there. So the question was, how can I gain an understanding of software development methodologies? That's the eighth most. Oh, shoot. This was supposed to be the security one. Okay, well, that's okay. We're going to do this out of order. I don't have to do them in order. So we're going to upload the number 8 and then go back and do the number 7 later. So for number 8, we've got a good answer for that. We've got these key methodologies, which we can ask follow-up questions to the AI about. We've got principles of good software development. We've got things that are also important, and I just deleted everything. There we go. It's back. Control Z. Okay, so yep, that's going to be it for this video. This is yep, less than 15 minutes, which is great. And then I'll have to go back and do this one. But yeah, we've got only 3 more left after this one. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.